Oh goodness. Alright, we are going to go on a little adventure today. Gotta take a drive. I'm gonna try this new position on the camera, see if that cuts down on some of the car and road noise, but I don't know, I may not have anything to say. So we'll see what happens. Come along for the ride. It's one of my favorite places to go, and I like to show people that. I mean, granted, I really wish it was better taken care of. I wish that people respected it more, because there's glass, like broken glass from bottles everywhere, you know, trash on the ground, spray paint, and, you know, some of that stuff is really old. You know, it's been there for a while, so it's really hard to judge, say, hey, I wish people took care of it better. I wish people had always taken better care of it. But I'm big fan of that place, and it kind of shows some of the beauty of Connecticut, but Connecticut can still be very, very diverse for such a small area, because you have the coastal area on the Long Island Sound, you have the river valleys, you've got, you know, the mountains, and you've got waterfalls and things. So, you know, it's really great to me. I think Connecticut is just so beautiful. So, but anyways, we're gonna get on the highway and we're gonna take a little road trip. We are going to Willimantic. There is a food co-op there. I believe it's just called the Willimantic Food Co-Op. Maybe Willimantic Food Co-op. But it's a great place to get a lot of, you know, more organic ingredients, or certain ingredients that you may not be able to find at places like Walmart or things. And the prices on a lot of stuff, because they have bulk bins, are pretty good. So you get better deals than you could get at a place like Whole Foods, which we might actually go to Whole Foods today too. It depends on what little buddy's nap time is up to. We'll see how he does. Alright, but anyways, we're hitting the road. So after this drive, you can kind of hear how much noise my tires are making, so I need to check that out, see if they're out of balance or if they're just totally worn down. So anyway, coming up on the exit that we take for Willimantic, and even though it is, you know, kind of gray, or, you know, it is winter still, I just think the countryside here in Connecticut is so pretty. There are definitely some really cool old houses and architecture here. And again, like I said, we're going to the Willimantic Co-op and Food Co-op. And again, so we're about to get off the highway here. How's it going, guys? I'm sitting here at the Willimantic Food Co-Op. They gave me a nice little flyer. They were nice enough to let me come by and do some filming here. I got to do some of my shopping and I got some footage to show you around the store. But it's a really great place here where it's a food co-op, so it's not the same as a grocery store, but it's all member owned, and membership is $20 a year, and you only have to pay membership for 6 years. After that, it's basically free for the rest of your life. If you don't have a membership, you have to pay a 10% surcharge on top of the list prices on the shelves, but their prices are very good and competitive. Plus they have bulk bins, and I'm able to get things that I can't find in my regular grocery stores without having to go to larger stores, say like Whole Foods or other places like that. So I really enjoy coming out here. It's a little bit of a drive, but it's worth it to me because I can get things at better prices, and so if I come here and buy enough, it's a savings for me. Even coming, it's about 45 minutes away from me. So, but like I said, they were nice enough to let me walk around, take some footage, so I'm going to show you guys that right now. Good old traffic. I don't miss this. I used to have to drive home in this like every day. Luckily my new location, I don't have to drive through this. Good times. Maybe it won't stop. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for today. Thank you for coming along with me out to Willimantic. A big thank you to the Willimantic Food Co-op for letting me do some filming there. I did ask for permission before going in and doing that. So there is a link in the description to their website. If you are in the Connecticut area, be sure to check them out. Let them know that I sent you. A big announcement for me is I've come up with a new name for the blog, and I am now changing it from Fit 15 Fitness, which was a concept I was beginning this with. I'm giving it a shot under the name of the Unpretentious Vegan because I feel that there's a lot of stigma that comes along with the term or the label vegan. And I really just want to show that it's about eating healthy, and that's all that it is for me. And so I hope you guys can enjoy this. Again, if you notice, it was a little bumpy on that video. So if you want to help me out getting a better video quality, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and this video. I'm going to be updating Facebook, but for now, I'll have a link down in the description for that. This facebook.com/fit15fitness. It'll probably be changed to the Unpretentious Vegan, but I haven't done that yet, so we're going to figure that out. But again, like, comment, subscribe. Find me on Facebook. Just helping me promote this channel will be able to help me generate a little bit of income, and I'm going to be able to get a better camera, better quality, and make better videos for you guys. So again, thank you to the Willimantic Food Co-op. Thank you to you for coming along with me on this video, and I will see you in the next couple days.